Hey guys, it's Corey Ann Abreu here. I'm going to be reading for you today, Where Does Kitty Go in the Rain? By Harriet Ziefert and illustrated by Brigette Barrager. Published by Blue Apple Books. Mommy, Mommy, where's my pet? Kitty's outside getting wet. Kitty will find a place that's dry. Let's look for Kitty. Wanna try? Raindrops are falling on Mama Duck. She likes the wet and mushy muck. Rain won't scare a squirrel away. He stays busy on a rainy day. Brown Beetle's shell is shiny and hard. He doesn't mind a rainy yard. Worms are squirmy on wet ground. They squirm and wiggle all around. Under leaves two butterflies rest. Keeping wings dry is what's best. Bird peeks out from a hole in a tree. He says, "Look, no rain on me." Mommy, Mommy, look at that. I think I spy my kitty cat. Clouds are gone, the sun is high. Here's my kitty, warm and dry. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Support this book and the author by clicking the link below. Also included are some really cool resources in the description below. You can download worksheets to trace and color ABC positive affirmations, as well as a fun and helpful app for learning to read. We'll see you guys next time.